I hope you guys can see me. I'm just trying to put on my video. Let me see. Yeah.
We can see you blurredly. Colorful, Shashank.
Thank you.
So it is 4 of us now. I think more participants are going to join in very soon. And we have a guest today.
Thank you so much, Saurav. Thank you for arranging this. And this is wonderful.
Yeah.
My pleasure. And so happy to see you. So, I mean, wonderful people.
Very happy today. We all got connected on Zoom.
Yeah, I hope Bijay Pawar Bhai also join us.
Joins us, yeah. Let's wait. Most of them will join us.
Yeah, I hope so.
I don't know. I have some issues with my camera. I don't know why.
Yeah.
I'll keep trying. Meanwhile, let me check with other guys what they're doing. Mahesh. Ninu, how's your father?
Papa is good.
Great.
Yeah,
great.
he's saying hi to you.
Thank you so much.
Very better.
My regards to uncle as well.
Yeah, thank you, Ray. Papa Ray bhi bol rahe thanu hi.
Hi everybody. Hello uncle.
Hello uncle.
Namaste.
Yeah. Papa aa jao tusi. Nahi? Acha. No. He said namaste to both of you.
He must be camera shy. Huh?
No, not camera shy. He's not wearing his pagdi.
Okay. And you know how's your work going on?
If you see me, you'll say I'm a fakir now.
Oh, kuch bhi. He's saying if you see me now, I look like a fakir, anything. Huh? My dad is very handsome. Work is good, Shashank.
Great.
We are operating from home only. We are not going to the office.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
And how's you're working with Rotary or something, no? Rotary or Rotary?
Yeah, Rotary. Yeah.
Rotary,
yeah. That is going on Zoom only this year.
Okay.
Yeah. And this year our ladies club, that is the Inner Wheel Club, it is celebrating its 25th year.
Good.
Yeah. It's my 9th year, but otherwise the club is in its silver jubilee. Yeah.
You have been quite active in this, huh?
Very big projects.
Great.
And how about you?
I'm working from home. It's been 10 months now.
Oh, yeah.
My both the daughters, they are studying from home, and so everybody's at home. My parents are at home. Nobody's going out.
Lot of strain for the kids, no, all of them.
Yeah, but they adjusted quite well. They never complained. They never asked to go out. I just asked my elder daughter, you want to go out and play? Then she was saying, "Nahi baba, I'm okay. Abhi corona gaya nahi hai, so I'm still
okay." Good. Yeah. How old is she now? 6, 7?
She's 9. She's 9.
9, acha.
Yeah, she's a 9. She enjoys cooking. So we shoot her video every week, and she has a YouTube channel. So she puts it over there. So it's been almost 20 videos now. 20 weeks we have been working. So she cooks some dishes and she puts it on YouTube. So she's enjoying her time. Yeah.
So sweet. We have our guest, Aslam sir, here.
Aslam bhai.
Oh, where is he? 1 minute.
Good evening.
He's here only. Hello, sir.
Hi, Aslam.
Hi. Can you hear me?
Yes, we can.
Yes, we can hear you.
Yes, thank you. I think I'll go to a nice connectivity area because this is not a signal problem. I think I'll just get down. I'm on the terrace actually.
Okay.
Get down.
I think my video still has got problem. I don't know why.
Yeah, it is like a hippie trance kind of.
That's the status right now. I mean, after spending 10 months at home.
How are you, Aslam?
I'm fine, absolutely fine. How are you?
Good, good. So good to see you.
Yeah, same here, same here.
Aslam bhai, so glad to see you.
Thank
We
you so
never
much.
met in person, but it's really been pleasure seeing you online virtually. Thank you so much for
Thanks a lot.
joining.
Thanks a lot. Thank you all.
What a pleasant surprise.
Yeah, we've been actually working on it, planning on it.
Yeah. So happy.
Yeah, thank you, thank you.
Actually, along with Aslam sir, I was planning to have Luckily sir also, but unfortunately, he's yet to receive, reply to the request. But still, we went forward with this session.
Good, good. Very good initiative.
So, yeah, we. So, Ninuji, this year we are going to have you and all of those who were not a part of, who could not be a part of the project. Yeah, we'll be waiting for your write up and for your content this
Sure,
year.
I'll be there.
Yeah, and we are still, because we are only 4 people.
Yeah, where are others? They said yes, they will be coming and still they are not here.
It's a Sunday afternoon, so I can understand.
Shashank, you're calling anybody or should I?
I'll just check with Mahesh. Let me try. Yeah, I'll call him here.
Is Vijay coming?
I think Vijay spoke to Saurav. Saurav, you spoke to Vijay?
yeah, I spoke to him 2 days back, and he told
Uh-huh.
that he'll be coming.
Okay, let me check with him.
So, Assalam sir.
Just, yeah. Give me 2 minutes. The call is not going through. What are your next projects, Aslam sir?
Actually, I'm involved with a band here in Bangalore called Swaratma. Swaratma is a very happening band. Very talented people there.
Okay.
So I'm associated with them. I've already done a few songs with them. Already 3 songs have been already recorded. So another 3 songs are on the way.
Wow.
Plus, side by side, me and Lucky Bhai are also doing some work.
Good.
I've been making songs. The songs are just being accumulated, and I think now Lucky Bhai, I spoke to him in the morning today. He said he's gonna release a song now, which he did with a Jewish friend of his. But then after that, I think he's gonna come out with the project Iksui.
Okay.
Yeah, Iksui. We did a beautiful song, a title song Iksui, and then did another song called Zindagi Ki Raahon Mein. So
Wow.
these two songs, he's planning to make a video and release them.
Very nice.
Yeah, there are other songs also which are on the line, actually, in line. So a lot of music, inshallah, God willing, it's gonna happen.
Looking forward to it. Yeah.
You must listen to Iksoi. You must listen to Zindagi Ki Raahon Mein. A
Yeah.
beautiful, beautiful song.
Yeah. I like the name of the band, Swaratma.
Yeah, Swaratma. Very
Swaratma.
well. It's
Yeah.
the members were one. Jishnu Das Gupta is there. Then the lead vocal is called Vasu Dikshit. Then there's another guy called Sanjeev who's a violinist. I don't remember. There are two other people also. I don't remember the
Okay.
name. But
Okay.
very talented people. I've done beautiful songs with them.
Wow.
One song which I did with them was about it's called 10 Minute Aur Sone De.
Uh-huh. Sounds
So
interesting. Okay.
yeah, so they
Yeah.
came up with an idea कि असलम भाई एक गाना ऐसा करना है कि देखो हर आदमी को सुबह जागना है, कोई भी जाके जो भी घर में उठाता है उसको, भले उसकी माँ उठाए, बीवी उठाए, बच्चा उठाए, बोलता है यार अभी 10 मिनट और सोने देना मुझे प्लीज, 10 मिनट और, लेकिन फिर 10 मिनट उसको सोने देता हूँ, फिर लग जाती है उसकी पूरे दिन.
जी.
That song is about that. Then there's
Okay.
another beautiful song called Kandha De. Kandha De.
Sorry, I didn't get you.
Kandha De, Kandha De.
Oh, Kandha De. Okay.
Kandha De. That's also a beautiful song, very inspiring and very motivating, and it's like a revolutionary song.
Wow.
Very, very, very tight, power-packed song. So yeah, some beautiful songs are on the way.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Wow. Sounds the topic that you have chosen, or the caption, that's really nice.
Yeah.
10 minute or Sone De, Kandha De.
Yeah.
Both of them are good.
Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ray, what project are you talking about? I didn't get you.
I was talking about the one that I told you just some minutes back.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, it is the next year. I mean, this year, September 19th, we are planning to sort of have a second edition.
Okay.
Yeah, that was what I'm talking. I was talking about. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm there with all of you.
I'm quite surprised, Aslam sir, that you could connect with Lucky Ali sir today, because I tried his number.
No, actually he called me up. He said, "मैं आज ही सुबह गोवा से आया." मतलब he called me 2-3 times. He called me, but I was in the office. I couldn't pick up his phone. So this morning when I woke up, I saw his missed call. So I called him back. He said, "मैं आ गया हूँ वापस गोवा से. I'm here in Bangalore, and it was nice in Goa. I had a very nice time, and काफी मतलब अच्छा रहा." Then he spoke. He said, "I'm one song he recorded with Jewish friend of his. So he said, I'm releasing that song. Then after that, I'm gonna release Iksoi and Zindagi Ki Raahon Mein." So that's what he said, and the other songs will follow. He said.
Okay. Just last night I saw Sur.
Okay.
On TV, Star Gold. I was so happy.
Yeah.
I love the songs.
Yeah.
And Aslam sir also released a song recently, which is like a compilation of the 6 personalities. I mean, about 6 business leaders from Blue Bikes and yeah, Aslam sir. Would you like to please?
Actually, what happened was these people, Swaratma, they came up with an idea. Okay, in this lockdown, what happened was 6 big business people. Like one is an MD of Titan, another is a founder of Yulu. All these big people. They said the kind of contribution these people did during lockdown.
Yeah.
उन्होंने अपना business के perspective को अलग करके on a humanitarian ground they did so much. इतना सब कुछ किया. They said, sir, कि इन 6 personalities के ऊपर एक ऐसा कुछ गाना हमको करना है. It will be थोड़ा poetry होगा और फिर थोड़ा उसमें melody होगा.
And it's a good tribute. Yeah.
Yeah. Then they said कि 6 personalities की भी हम आपको सिर्फ उनकी उनका जो background है, उनका personality है, उनके बारे में बताएंगे. और फिर उनकी एक तस्वीर आपको भेजेंगे, तो आपको लिखना है उनके ऊपर.
Okay.
So they sent me their photographs and they sent me their background. So on each personality, what I did was I kept their photograph in front and then I read their background and then I put myself into their shoes.
Okay.
मतलब कैसे किया होगा इन लोगों ने, मतलब कैसे, मतलब क्या, मतलब what could they must have gone through to do all that
Yes. Yeah.
in such difficult times. You know, in the cutthroat society, अगर इन्होंने इतना सब कुछ किया है, इतना contribute किया है, वो भी ऐसे वक्त पे, तो किस मतलब कितना उनके लिए मुश्किल हुआ होगा.
Right.
So it was very nice. So some very beautiful thoughts and poetry and beautiful lines came out, and the song happened very nice. It was there. I think it was there on Facebook also.
I didn't see. I'll see it. Yeah.
Saurav, you must be having a link, right?
Yes, yes, sir. I will send it. I'll send it across. Yeah.
I missed it. I'm sorry.
Yeah, not an issue.
The vocals could have been better. जिसने वो
Yeah, the vocals could have been better, but the project came out very well. बहुत अच्छा निकला. Maybe they actually Swaratman spoke to me. They said अभी those मतलब Zoom. Actually, it was organized by Zoom, sponsored by Zoom only. So they were saying, in a few months to come, Zoom is trying to make that song a concrete song, like have it professionally done, and make a video by taking all these people and by taking Swaratma and all of us into that video. So that is what the plan is. They are going
very
to
nice. Yeah.
They're planning to do that on a very big scale because Gana itna अच्छे से निकल के आ गया. It was like a scratch recording that they did, but then it was so it came out so amazing. It was, they said कि नहीं इसको बराबर से करेंगे. We are gonna do it in a very nice way. We will take we will take all these personalities in the video. We will take Swaratma in the video. We'll involve everybody, and we will make this song. That's what they're planning. So God willing, coming few months they might be doing it.
Very nice, very nice.
Yeah.
Looking forward to it also.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah.
Sir, and I have this question that last year, मतलब 2020 में क्या हुआ कि हम अच्छे से ईयर का शुरुआत किए, बट हमारा जो प्लान था, सब कुछ था, वो कैसे भी करके चला गया. तो इस साल मैं पूछना चाहूंगा आप सबसे कि आपका रेजोल्यूशन क्या है और इस साल मतलब क्या मतलब कैसे आप मतलब ये गुजारना मतलब चाहेंगे. मतलब
मेरा इस साल का पिछले साल का ऐसा कुछ रेजोल्यूशन नहीं है. मेरे लाइफ का एक ही रेजोल्यूशन है, कीप योर हेड स्ट्रेट, अपना सर अपने कंधे पे रखो, अपना मन साफ रखो, ऊपर वाले से डरो, बस आगे चलो.
बिल्कुल
यही करना है हर साल. ऐसा नहीं है कि ये साल पिछले साल का वो रेजोल्यूशन था, ये साल का ये रेजोल्यूशन है. ऑफ कोर्स थोड़ी बहुत चीजें हैं जो करना चाहता हूँ इस साल. मतलब फॉर एग्जांपल इस साल का रेजोल्यूशन मैंने ये सोचा है कि यार आई शुड गिव अप स्मोकिंग.
गुड, यू मस्ट.
बस वो एक ही चीज है जो इस साल के रेजोल्यूशन में मैंने ऐड किया है. बाकी मेरे हर साल का रेजोल्यूशन एक ही है कि अपना सर अपने कंधे पे रखो, बी डाउन टू अर्थ, बी स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड, हैव द फियर ऑफ गॉड इन योर हार्ट, कीप योर दिल साफ, नीयत साफ, and just go ahead in life.
Then everything falls in place, if that is there.
Exactly. Niyat saaf to manzil aasan. That's
Bilkul.
it.
Yes.
That's it.
This is wonderful. This is like a life motto, in fact. It's not a resolution. It's a life motto. Absolutely.
जितना है उतने में मैं तो खुश रहता हूँ. पाना और खोना जानता नहीं. क्या करें खो के सब मिले. वही अपना लाइफ का
Fantastic lines.
नहीं बिल्कुल सही है.
नीनू का आपका?
मेरा तो like he said, I am a very down to earth person, and I just want to be happy and spread happiness around. That's my motto in life.
Very well.
Fantastic.
Very well.
Yes.
Fantastic.
And stay fit and be that will also keep me happy. If I'm not fit, I can't be happy, and I can't make others happy also.
Absolutely true.
Yeah. So nothing more than that. Yeah.
Bye.
And what about you?
So let's hear from you first. Yeah.
I'll read more.
Oh, okay.
I'll read more. Yeah, that because मैं देखा था, मेरा actually एक अगर मैं बोलूँ तो आर्टिकल्स ये सब आ जाता है, पर उसमें एडिटर नहीं रहता. और वो जो लकीली साहब के ऊपर हमने जो काम किए, एक्चुअली आई वाज द लास्ट लाइन ऑफ डिफेंस, आई वाज एडिटिंग इट माई सेल्फ, और आई एम मतलब उसमें 2-3 थोड़ा एरर्स आ गए थे वो बुक में, सो नॉट लाइक प्रोफेशनली इसको और भी बेहतर बना सकते हैं. सो आई एम this year I am going to learn the elements, the basics of grammar and read.
Okay.
Yeah. So sir,
Very
That's
good.
great. That's great. But sir, मेरा तो बस वही है. I'm from medical profession, so mostly I try to work as much as possible for the community. So अभी कोरोना के टाइम पे my company I'm working with, we make the PCR kits and we make the antibody testing kits
Very
and
good,
all.
very good.
So last year was very tough, but we just hope that this whole year we work same way, even more hard, and try to eradicate this corona as much as early as possible. So
Very
that's
nice.
the only aim we have.
Very good.
We got a Vikas
have
online.
you-
Hi Vikas.
Thank you, Vikas.
Have you given them a glimpse of the book? What is this book that you are मतलब जो किया है आपने?
Sorry sir.
The book that we are planning, आपने उसका glimpse दिया है? मतलब have you spoken about it?
Yeah sir, मैंने एक sample chapters दिया हुआ हूँ, और we are waiting for the final draft to come across.
Okay.
So I have actually sent it to some people, और मैंने follow up भी मतलब लिया था. So
Okay.
just fingers crossed, we are waiting for the final draft and let's see.
Yeah.
Okay.
So Ray, Saurav has really worked hard on this. Actually, let me also say, actually every song has got a story. जितने भी हम लोगों ने मतलब whatever songs we have done, me and Lucky Bhai together. So every song has got a story, how that song was made. Whether it is O Sanam or मैं घर को निकला या नहीं रखता दिल में या सुन लो सुनो या मैं हूँ प्यार का मुसाफिर या मिलेगी मिलेगी मंजिल, हर गाने के पीछे एक कहानी. And by the grace of God, to this day I remember every story. So that's what I did. मैंने कहा कि भाई ये हर गाने के पीछे जो हर एक कहानी है उसको लेके आ जाएं बाहर, मतलब let people know कि how the songs were made, कि क्या था वो जो मिलेगी मिलेगी मंजिल, any song you take for that matter. So that's what we have tried, and I've given all the story behind each song. हर गाने के पीछे क्या कहानी थी, कैसे वो गाना बना, how that song came into its form, how it was made. So very interesting.
Very nice. Yeah.
Yeah, very interesting it is, and लोगों को बहुत मजा आएगा पढ़ते हुए.
बिल्कुल.
In fact, Aslam bhai, let me be frank. Like, when I first heard Luckily 25 years ago, and I remember my train journeys in Bombay when I used to go to college. और वो train journey में बस वही सुनते थे हम लोग full time. And when I used to recommend to others, everyone used to say, हाँ अच्छा है, ठीक है, that kind of the initial reaction used to be. जब वो 2-3 बार सुनने के बाद लोगों को इतना पसंद आता था, and then people used to be like, it's not only about the voice and it's not only about the music, the wordings, and really thankful to you that the wordings are so very well, the lyrics.
Actually, see any song,
it touches heart. Any song of
any song for that matter, it actually grows on you. अब पहली बार सुनते हो कि अरे यार ये क्या बोल रहा है, फिर से मतलब again you want to listen to it. Hey, he's saying something, he's saying something. कुछ कह रहे हैं गाने के अंदर.
Yes.
So
yes,
every
yes,
time
yes.
you hear, every time it grows on you.
True, very true.
Very true. When the first album was released, I think they had come out with, I don't remember exactly, at Linking Road, Bandra. I think McDonald's had opened the first store in Mumbai. So there they were giving this cups on which Lucky Ali sir's photos were printed, and pen stand, and they had kept some contest while standing in the queue. And me being a fan, I knew all the answers, and I won. And I still have that pencil stand on my office desk, and I don't let anybody touch it.
That's so nice to hear.
Yeah, I'm very possessive about it.
Yeah.
I miss my office. I've not been there from 9 months now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like God willing, soon you will be back. Not to worry.
Yeah.
Fantastic. So, Aslam bhai, we got Vikas online as well. Vikas is one of the great fans of Lucky Bhai, and Vikas is also a member of the group on WhatsApp which we run. So, hi Vikas.
Hi, hello everyone.
Hi, Vikas.
Hi. How are you all?
Good. How are you?
Good.
So because we had this question that last year we saw an unprecedented thing happening all over the world. But this year, what are your resolutions and how do you expect to, go forward with your life and your everything? So your answer, please.
The situation was something new for all of us, right?
Yeah.
But I think one thing resolution, if you ask me, I would be more serious about my career now onwards, because of lockdown, we all were in house. So before that, I used to attend my friends' party, something like that, and I always missed my focus. Actually, I shifted my focus, and during this last year, actually, I realized what I actually need to do throughout my life, my whole life, and that is music. That was there, always there in my mind, but just because of lockdown, it realized me how important it is for me to pursue this for lifetime. And I'm really looking forward to release my few songs this year, and I hope you guys enjoy that.
Yeah,
Nice.
sure.
All the best. All the best to you.
We have Aslam Saab as our guest today. Would you like to ask him some question?
Aslam sir, your biggest inspirations. I don't have any question to ask actually, but sir,
Thank you. Thank you so much.
there's one line in your song. I mean, Lucky Bhai and you. सुनने वाले ने
कहने वाले को
So
वो बातें
what is
बताई.
what is your interpretation about that? I mean, I really want to know that.
सुनने वाले ने कहने वाले को वो बातें बताई समझने वाले.
Yes.
Okay. See, when we did this song, actually, when we did this song, actually we used to go to a mosque for a Friday sermon.
Yeah.
हम लोग जब जुमा की नमाज पे जाते हैं तो वहां पे एक sermon होता है, मतलब they say all good things वगैरह. तो वहां पे हम लोगों ने नोट किया कि भाई मौलाना साहब इतनी अच्छी अच्छी बातें कर रहे हैं. ओके. कुछ लोग हैं जो कंसंट्रेट नहीं कर रहे हैं, किसी को नींद आ रही है, कोई सो रहा है, कोई ऊँग रहा है, So we came back. Actually उस वक्त इस गाने पे काम चल रहा था. मेरा न कोई है पता इस जगह पर, इस गाने पे हम लोग एक्चुअली काम कर रहे थे. तो उसी दौरान मतलब जुमा का दिन था, तो हम लोग नमाज पे गए, तो and we saw this.
Okay.
And I came back and I told Lucky भाई ऐसे कि कैसे लोग हैं. Maulana was saying such good things and such wonderful things in the mosque about इंसानियत, about humanity, this that. लेकिन कुछ लोगों को मतलब यही नहीं, मतलब क्या, मतलब कुछ सो रहा है, कोई ध्यान ही नहीं दे रहा है. तो देन लकी भाई ही सेड कि यार एक्चुअली इनको उन लोगों को बताना चाहिए जिन लोगों को ये बात समझ में आती हो और जो इस बात को कैरी फॉरवर्ड करते हैं. ऐसे लोगों को अच्छी अच्छी बातें बोलना चाहिए, वरना सबको बोल के क्या फायदा है.
Right.
दैट्स व्हाट लकी भाई सेड. आई सेड हमको ये थॉट यूज करना चाहिए गाने के अंदर.
Very nice.
ओके. देन आई सेड चलो, या देन आई सेड चलो इस थॉट को यूज करते हैं कि सुनने वाले ने कहने वाले को वो बातें बताई समझ, मतलब थोड़ा सा उसको ऊपर नीचे किया. ओके. एक लाइन बन गई. उस थॉट को लेके थोड़ा मरोड़ के हमने. ओके. देयर इज ऑलवेज व्हेन वी स्पीक देयर इज ऑलवेज डबल मीनिंग टू इट इन द लाइफ. फॉर एग्जांपल रात चांदनी सॉन्ग. ओके. सो एवरीबॉडी सेज, मतलब जब हम लोगों ने मतलब रात चांदनी किया, वी एक्चुअली डिड इट फॉर द क्रिएटर. ओके. लेकिन बहुत सारे ऐसे भी इंटरप्रिटेशंस हुए हैं उस गाने के. सम हाँ, कि कुछ सोचते हैं कि भाई इट्स फॉर लव ऑफ हिज लाइफ.
Right.
Yeah.
Some people interpret it to कि he singing it for his love.
No, right.
Okay. तो हमारे हर गाने के अंदर यही मतलब यही था कि दो इंटरप्रिटेशन निकलते हैं. मतलब हम एक्चुअली जब हमारा इंटरप्रिटेशन तो यही था कि हम लोग मस्जिद गए थे, वहां पे सरमन सुना, लोगों को देखा लोग सो रहे थे, तो वापस आके हम लोगों ने डिस्कस किया कि ये क्या हो रहा है, इतनी अच्छी अच्छी बातें बता रहे हैं, ये लोग सुन नहीं रहे. तो लकी भाई ने उसका जवाब दिया, तो मैंने बोला कि चलो इसको एक काम करते, इसको यूज कर देते. Let us use the thought in the song.
Very nice.
Yeah.
So thoughtful of you both.
Yeah.
So Aslam sir, actually the book you were talking about, so उसमें ऐसी ही चीजें हमें पढ़ने को मिलेंगी कि like you know all the
Yeah, बिल्कुल
song
ऐसी
इसके पीछे क्या क्या
चीजें
stories है.
ऐसी चीजें हैं. मतलब सौरभ ने एक्चुअली क्या हुआ, सौरभ आई थिंक ही डिड अ बुक फॉर, मतलब एक छोटा सा उन्होंने लकी भाई के लिए कुछ किया था. तो एक गाने के पीछे जो कहानी थी मैंने उनको बताया.
I guess sir that is it this one? मैंने देखा नहीं रंग दिल आया. ऐसे
Yeah. तो then he came up with a thought. He said कि सर, मैंने कहा कि सौरभ, मतलब he said और कुछ बताइए. मैंने कहा कि भाई हर गाने के पीछे एक एक कहानी है कि how each song was made, how each song came into shape, कैसे वो गाना वजूद में आया, you know. Then he said कि असलम भाई we should do a book, एक किताब लिखनी चाहिए on all the songs that are there in the album, कि how each song was made, what is the story behind each song. So that is what you're going to get to read in this book. Every song has got a story, whether it is O Sanam or मिलेगी मंजिल या प्यार का मुसाफिर या क्या मौसम है, any song.
We can't wait.
Yeah. So the
Absolutely.
beautiful stories are there. So you will get to read all good things. मतलब मजा आएगा आप लोगों को.
हाँ जी.
मतलब you people will enjoy it.
what's the release date of the book?
Saurav?
Yes, sir.
Please tell us about release date of the book because we are really excited about it.
Sorry, Vikas.
So I want to know about the release date of this book.
Release date. Actually, the book is with the editor now. We have just given it for proofreading. We are waiting it for like in a couple of days, the final draft. And as soon as it comes, because we have a deadline to match today today is 10th. So there is a window of 3 months that Kindle has started. So today is a month past today already, and we have 2 more months. So I'm thinking that we'll be releasing this book maybe within a week or 10 days.
Wow.
We won't wait.
All the best.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Just waiting for the editor's comments and everything. So in a couple of days, I think I'll be having it.
Lot of inputs have gone in it, no? The whole journey, in fact. Yeah, good. Where are the others? बड़ा हाँ बोला था, अभी कहाँ गए सारे लोग?
I got a call from Ninad. Ninad is outside. He said he will not be able to make it. He's driving or something. And got another call from Mahesh. So Mahesh is also outside. He said very soon he'll be reaching home and then dial in if possible.
Okay.
It's a Sunday afternoon, so I believe, and rather we informed on very short notice. I understand that I could have, or maybe Saurav, we both could have initiated this quite earlier, but never mind.
Yeah, now that sir is back in Bangalore, maybe we can consider one more session with him, Aslam sir, and
wow.
That was my first idea from 31st of December.
Yes. So Vikas, how's your concerts going on? Like your band and all. How's your musical journey now?
Yeah, right now
during this lockdown.
I set up only actually, and I've been working on few cover songs, and one of them is Lucky Bhai, Anjani Rauni. And in that particular song, I've added few new lines. I mean, I wrote something new. If you guys would like to hear it,
please.
Yeah, absolutely.
So it's Anjani Rauni, and I just wrote few lines. Aslam bhai, I would like to.
Go.
Yeah, thank you. देखता रहा चांद तारों को, भूल ही गया तलाश में हर गाँव लगे घर अभी खुद ही को तुम में पाया तेरा ही था मैं साया
Beautiful.
तो अनजाने राहों में तू क्या ढूंढता फिरे दूर जिसको समझा वो तो पास है तेरे
Beautiful.
Awesome, awesome.
Thank
Very
you.
nice.
Awesome. Vikas बहुत अच्छे.
Too good, Vikas, too good.
बहुत अच्छे.
Thank you, sir. Shashank.
बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया. Actually, you know what happened?
Yes, sir.
ये जब गाना हुआ था ना, सांस में मतलब actually this was written by P.K. Mishra ji.
Mm-hmm.
P.K. Mishra actually wrote this song. This was for the 50th year of Indian independence.
Oh.
Okay. So I was in actually 12th standard. मेरे final exams थे उस वक्त. Okay. Then I said कि I'm sorry I cannot do this. मतलब मुझे exams के लिए पढ़ना है मैं नहीं लिख पाऊँ. Okay. So then the producer मतलब Mr. Mani he then suggested Lucky bhai एक काम करो let P.K. Mishra do this song.
Mm-hmm.
But I'm glad that he did this song. I'm glad he did this song and he wrote it so well. बहुत खूबसूरती से लिखा हुआ. बहुत बढ़िया. You know, amazing it. You know.
इतने सालों से सुन रहे फिर भी ऐसा लगता है कि आज ही सुन
Yeah, आज का बिल्कुल very
हाँ.
fresh.
बिल्कुल. You know. अच्छा, and the other best part was कि then after that मतलब song was recorded, released. 3-4 बार Lucky bhai sat with me on that song, saying, अभी इसके ऊपर तो कुछ और लिख. You know, make some other lines for this. I said
Mm-hmm.
नहीं, ये फिक्स हो गया दिमाग के अंदर. सांस में हवा, जान में जमी, वो फिक्स हो गया, नहीं निकल रहा है मेरे दिमाग से. आएगा, जबरदस्ती मत करो.
Yeah. Oh, nice, yeah. कितने अच्छे experiences and something which you all cherish and we won't be able to forget it ever after reading the book.
Exactly.
Very true.
आप जरूर उस किताब को पढ़िए, मजा
हाँ जी.
आएगा. बहुत सारी चीजें हैं. Very minute details are there in the each song.
Yeah.
You know? Yeah, बहुत मजा आएगा.
For me, at least, even when I was in school, I couldn't read or even write while I was getting ready for my exams. I would write and then, study. But behind my back, I always had music. Without music, nothing would go in my head. Yeah, so even for my both my board exams or even for my TY exams, I always needed music.
Lovely.
Yeah, even computer जो है office में, even at home, in my hall, in my kitchen. Yeah, kitchen. I cook and I dance and I have music on.
Lovely.
I can't do without music. It's like oxygen for me.
Absolutely.
Very true.
म्यूजिक जीने का जरिया है and that
बिल्कुल.
yeah stuck in my mind that time actually.
Yeah.
पहले रियलाइज नहीं हुआ था, बस जस्ट सुनते जा रहे हैं. So उसने एक बार बोल दिया था कि यार म्यूजिक जीने का जरिया है.
Yes.
Very true.
Ray, you asked me about my resolution. I have no whatever I said is true, but on my computer desk in office, I have written many years, I think 20, 30 years back, that don't depend on others for happiness. That is my motto in life. I like to remain happy on my own and spread happiness. I don't like to be dependent on anybody or be sorrowful for something doing wrong to me. But that's the way I like to be happy. I'm happy being alone also. I have no issues. I like it that way.
Very true.
Yeah.
हंसते हंसाते यूं सबको मनाते हम जाएंगे, बरसों की दूरी को मिलके हम साथ मिटाएंगे.
One more line is there we can add to the situation actually.
Yeah.
ऐसे ना समझना के तू है
मुश्किल मोड़ सही, कभी ना कभी यहाँ पर थोड़ी देर और सही.
I called up Kapil. He's heading for somebody's expired, so he's going to their place. So he
Oh.
won't be able to join. Yeah.
No, it's possible we can have this session tomorrow with other people also. Like, fix a proper time when they can be free, like to get connected. ऐसा हम लोग
Yeah,
कर,
we can do that.
you know.
What say, Ray? Are you okay with it?
Yeah,
Kal?
we can schedule this one afterward.
Yeah, I'm okay with anything. I'm at home only.
Yeah. So tomorrow is Monday, I think.
Yeah.
So
नहीं तो
the next week.
During the week we can have
Yeah,
some time.
weekdays would be a bit difficult, so maybe
Okay,
we can
Saturday or Friday evening.
यानी तो आज ही कर सकते हैं, maybe at a little later, मतलब where everyone probably towards say 8-9 बजे या 10 बजे, whatever.
Chalega, anything.
Like found on group first because
yeah, actually group पे पूछ लेते हैं because I'm not sure nobody has confirmed yet much. So एक बार हम लोग सबसे confirm करा के लेते हैं. So the other session should not be like this. Again, 3-4 लोग ही join हुए हैं. So let's have it a proper, सब लोग होने चाहिए. So maybe
वही बोला.
Yeah. So maybe next weekend we could target if it's okay.
Yeah.
Maybe next Saturday or something.
Sure, anytime.
Weekdays I'm okay till after 8 o'clock because till 8 o'clock the work is quite hectic these days. And,
Yeah.
Yeah, you might be on calls, no?
Calls and it's a corona has been everywhere, so
Yeah.
there's a lot of things happening around, so vaccination and all the stuff and also.
Yeah. ठीक है.
Bhai, how are things in Mumbai now?
Mumbai is okay now. Basically, recently they did a serological survey. They call it as a serology survey when they do the antibody testing. So they found very interesting facts. In slums area, they found around 60% people have already developed the antibodies. So around 60% लोगों को already साल भर में कोरोना हो चुका है, जिनको symptoms ही नहीं आए थे. But at the same time, there are so many people who are still, getting infected. The rate is slow down, but still you need to take care, and you never know. This virus has been so very different that there is no predictability. You cannot say if you get caught of it, what will happen. I lost close friend of mine. I lost my father-in-law. So and I have seen it from very, very, very close. Yeah, and I have seen it from very close, like what happens. And that was a turbulent time, September, October. So it was on the peak, and there were no beds available, and the whole medical system was, I am being from medical fraternity. I couldn't find a bed for my father-in-law in Pune, and we were struggling for 2 days, and we couldn't get ICU bed for him. So it was a very bad times, and you never know the second wave if it comes again. We will see the similar situation. So I just keep on promoting people that don't go out as much as possible. If you're going out, properly maintain the social distancing and all those norms, and just take care of yourself. That's all. We can't do anything else.
My dad is also 79, and the doctors told him not to go out. So because of him, even I don't go out, because if I get it, then he will also get it.
True.
He's very vulnerable to it now.
True.
Yeah. So even I don't go out.
So whole day goes into this, arranging antibody testing, arranging all these PCR testing, arranging the vaccinations, ka jo bhi hai, and all that. So That's the reason I said, like, in weekdays it's quite difficult, but on
Yeah.
weekends, yes, we can certainly.
अभी शशांक अभी क्या वैक्सीन आ गया है? Has the vaccine come?
असलम भाई, एक्चुअली इंडिया में अभी 2 वैक्सीन को इन लोगों ने अप्रूवल दे दी है. दे कॉल इट
आज
एज
मैं न्यूज में देख रहा था कि 16 तारीख से
16 तारीख से शुरू कर रहे हैं.
बोल रहे हैं.
Yeah. So they are doing the dry run right now. Dry run is basically to check your system whether that could handle this kind of a major drive. तो सारे के सारे आपके मेडिकल प्रोफेशनल्स रेडी है या नहीं है, उनका ट्रेनिंग वो सब करा के. तो ड्राई रन इज एज गुड एज काइंड ऑफ वी कॉल इट एज अ, क्या बोलते हैं हम, जो किसी भी शो से पहले एक बार हम लोग जो कराते हैं ना, मतलब फाइनल रिहर्सल, दैट काइंड ऑफ स्टफ. तो वो अभी चल रहा है, एंड फ्रॉम 16 दे विल स्टार्ट. So they will do all the doctors and medical people first, those are on the front line, and then slowly they will include the elderly people, and after that, the healthy people like us. So it's a big drive. Never ever in history such a thing has happened, not in India, not anywhere else in the world. And getting around more than 100 crore people vaccinated, it's a big task. It's a big task. It is going to take time. There are many hurdles, but hopes we all will,
yeah, eventually it is gonna happen.
Eventually it's gonna happen, absolutely.
अल्लाह करे सब ठीक हो जाए यार.
Yeah.
होगा, it will take time, but हो जाएगा finally.
Yeah, actually yesterday in my office also they were in the briefing they were they were talking about it कि अगर मतलब वैक्सीन सक्सेसफुल हो गया, मतलब उसका साइड इफेक्ट नहीं रहा, तो probably when the administering of the vaccine is gonna start, we are gonna give the vaccine here for you people in the office itself. So that's what they were.
Okay.
आप लोगों को तो हम ऑफिस में ही दे देंगे, and not only you, even your families will be called. मतलब each of you. Yeah, not only you, मतलब you and your family members.
Right.
That includes your wife, your kids, your parents also, elderly. So that was so nice of them. They spoke about that.
Yeah, अच्छा, बहुत अच्छा.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Aslam bhai, if you don't mind, can I ask where are you working? Like,
see, actually, there's a firm called Goldman Sachs.
Yeah, correct. Financials. Yeah.
Yeah. So वहाँ पे मैं हूँ. I'm working there. Okay. I'm in the security division actually.
Ah, fantastic.
Yeah.
Okay. That's nice.
Yeah. So it's a full-fledged work. I'm also now actually 4-5 महीने तो मैं घर में ही था. They didn't call me. Then after 6 months they started. I'm going for the job once in a, मतलब महीने में 1 week काम रहता है.
Okay.
3 weeks just stay at home. 1 week work and 3 weeks stay. So कल खत्म हुआ. So now probably coming 3 weeks I'll be at home.
Wow.
Yeah. Then again February 2nd week I'll be going back.
Yeah, we'll announce it on group, and we will try to built in case.
Sir भी आएंगे तो अच्छा होगा.
Come in as much as possible. Yeah.
There's no point in having 4-5 people, and
Yeah.
What do you say, Saurabh?
Yes, sir. We'll do that. Maybe next week we'll have a larger audience.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So,
And Lucky sir also.
Sorry, bhai?
And Lucky sir also, if possible.
Yeah.
So, apart from the people on our group, like, the Luckily fan club, is it okay if we can call people from outside, like, who like the Luckily songs and, Aslam Bhai's lyrics? And so at least we can, so that, we can have more people, because on Luckily fans club, we got hardly around 12, maybe 15 people at the max. And of course, all are diehard fans, but definitely we could have a larger audience if we can, if each one of us can reach out to many people and, try to bring in as much as possible. Because this is on Zoom.
Yeah, it's a good idea.
My idea on 31st was to have Luckily sir, and each one of us will be asking him what his resolutions are, and so type of conversational. So with lesser number of people, I think, today is good session, but it can be better if we have more people.
Little more, some more people,
Let's see how maybe the next week it can.
Sure. So we'll work this whole week, bringing in more people, and let's pray that next Saturday we'll have good outcome.
Yeah.
But today's session was also like quite good. We could.
Fantastic.
Very
I could
memorable.
personally see
Memorable.
Aslam sir, and I could hear from him. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for arranging this.
But
Yeah.
meaningful conversation.
So intimate session.
Okay, so yeah,
Just
so probably inshallah in the next session we'll meet again.
Sure, sir.
Sure. So Aslam sir, just to brief you about this WhatsApp group. So the people we have on WhatsApp group are all luckily diehard fans, and
Okay.
we started this almost around 7-8 years ago.
Yes.
Okay.
And we got around very few people, but everybody is a very big diehard fan. So if there are
And
any
we are a
concerts
family.
happening, we are a family.
Shashank, we are a
Absolutely,
family.
absolutely, we are a family.
Yes.
Very rightly said.
That's so nice to hear.
So
Yeah.
we all are well connected, though it's hardly we could meet because everyone is into different cities.
Yeah.
But that's a group
But
where
all
we
connected with the
all
common
connected to the
thing.
common
Yeah.
group. Absolutely,
Yeah.
absolutely. So thank you so much, being
Yeah.
making
Thanks
such
a
a
lot.
nice songs and
Thank you,
making us
Aslam
all
sir.
connected.
Thank you all. Thank you so much.
Thank you,
God
Aslam.
bless you all.
Thank you. God bless you
Same
too.
to you.
Yeah.
Take
Thank
care.
you.
Thank you, Saurav. Thank you for arranging.
Thank you, Ray.
Thank you, thank you, Dee.
Thanks.
Thank you, bye.
Yeah.
Thank you guys for coming.
Bye, Vikas.
Bye,
Bye,
Dinu.
Shashank.
Bye, Vikas.
Bye. Bye.
see you all in next session.
Yeah, sure.
Yes. Bye.
Bye.
Thank you all.
Thank you.
I didn't.
Are